Hey all, in this video we are going to create this double exposure effect in Photoshop which you have seen in many movie posters. With the images already open in Photoshop, let's get started. I'll put the image links in description. First, let's hide the scene image and with model image layer activated, let's select the model. Refine the selection if needed and add a layer mask. Now, unhide the scene image and make sure it is above the model layer. Clip it to the model layer and change its blending mode to screen. We can also try lighten and select whatever looks best, but these two blending modes, screen and lighten, are the most used for this effect. Add a layer mask to the scene layer and with soft round brush, flow around 10 to 15 and black as foreground color, let's brush around the areas where we want to show the parts of the model image. We can add a solid color adjustment layer below all of this and choose the brightest color from the scene image. If you are curious about the definition of what is color exposure means, then the answer is it is a combination of two different exposures or images. I know you have enjoyed this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are also in description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.